In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter non-taxable IHSS W-2 in TurboTax. We'll walk through how to enter your IHSS W-2 and make sure the qualifying income is properly excluded under the Medicaid waiver, also known as difficulty of care payments. I'll keep it clear and simple so you feel confident by the time you file. First, open the W-2 section in TurboTax. From the left menu, go to Federal, then Income. In the Wages and Salaries area, choose Job, W-2, and select Work on My W-2. This takes you straight into the W-2 interview where all of your employer information will go. TurboTax will ask for your Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from Box B of your W-2. Type the EIN exactly as it appears on your IHSS W-2 form. It's easy to mistype a digit, so take a moment to double-check it before moving on. If TurboTax can't import your W-2 automatically, that's okay. Choose Type It in Myself. This option simply opens the manual entry screens, so you can enter the IHSS W-2 details directly without relying on an import. Now, enter your W-2 information exactly as it appears on the form. That includes the employer name and address, the EIN, your wages, and any taxes withheld. Follow the on-screen prompts and match each box carefully. If a box on your W-2 is blank, leave it blank in TurboTax. Accuracy here helps the program ask you the right follow-up questions. As you continue, TurboTax will present some special questions about your W-2 income. Be on the lookout for topics like Medicaid waiver payments, IHSS payments, or difficulty of care payments. These questions determine whether your IHSS income qualifies to be excluded from federal taxable wages under IRS guidance. When you're asked if the income qualifies as Medicaid waiver or difficulty of care payments, select Yes if it applies to your situation. When you do, TurboTax will exclude the qualifying IHSS income from taxable federal wages while keeping the W-2 itself in your return for documentation. You may see an adjustment or exclusion noted in the summary. Proceed to the review section. Confirm that your W-2 still appears, and verify that the IHSS income that qualifies is excluded from your federal taxable income. If something doesn't look right, revisit the follow-up questions and make sure you mark the Medicaid waiver or difficulty of care prompt correctly. Finally, complete the remaining sections and e-file your return. Keep in mind that state treatment can differ, so review your state return carefully and consult TurboTax help or a tax professional if needed. That's how to enter non-taxable IHSS W-2 income in TurboTax. Thanks for watching.